Good morning, day 7 of 12 days of Vlogmas. It's like 8:30 in the morning right now, and I'm getting ready to go to the gym so I can get a gym membership home because I don't have one here and I don't have a gym I can go to. So I want to make sure that I can do that. Then I'm gonna go get my nails done with a friend, and then we'll just kind of take the rest of the day for whatever happens. Yeah, it started snowing last night, like big flakes. And when I woke up this morning, I originally wanted to get up at 7:30 and go to the gym, but it looked a little icy and it was like 34 degrees out. So I was like, So I waited a little bit just so I could hopefully, like, just to be a little bit more sure that it wasn't gonna be icy. So now it's 8:30 and I'm going, but it's still early. I still have a lot of time today, but it's cold here. Like, it's super cold. I'm layering crap out of my outfit today. I also didn't bring home a single pair of leggings, which I did last time, and then I bought a pair of leggings and they ended up being like my favorite leggings, so I brought them back to school with me, and then I forgot to bring them back, so yay me. And so because I don't have leggings, I'm wearing like my little workout shorts. I'm just gonna throw a black pair of sweatpants over the top. This just like does not work. Okay, I need to figure out something else for my fit because this is not it. Okay, I like this more than I did with having black underneath. And then I'm just wearing gray sweatpants over top of like my blue workout shorts. Let's go to the gym. Okay, we're gonna go to Planet Fitness because a friend of mine goes to Planet Fitness and he said it's only $10 a month. I am gonna put you guys on. I can't run aux right now because I don't want copyright, but I'm gonna put you guys on this artist. He's country, so if you like country music, this is definitely gonna be your vibe. But his name is SCHUSTER. I think that's how you pronounce his last name. All of his songs that are like out and on Apple Music are so good. He has Tik Tok, and like that's where he puts like a lot of his unreleased songs or covers. That's where I found him. And then literally every single one of his songs that he's dropped is an absolute bop. Like, he explains stuff in his songs so well, and it's like really good, like emotional country. Like, it's so good. Like, scream it in your car, heartbreak good. Okay, I'm not gonna vlog and drive on the main roads just in case it's icy, plus I don't want to get in a car accident. So I will catch you guys when I'm at the gym. I got a workout in, nothing too crazy. I did 12-3-30, but I did it for 15 minutes as a warm-up, and then I only had time for like a good ab set. I was gonna try to do, you're done. I was gonna try to do arms and abs today, but I just didn't have enough time because I'm gonna go pick up Dylan. And then I locked my stuff in my locker, but then when I went and grabbed the girl to come and unlock the lockers, I realized that the one I was trying to unlock wasn't even mine. I had a very dyslexic moment there where 2 of the lockers literally had the same number in my head. Now I'm gonna go pick up Dylan so we can go get our nails done. But you know the vibes. Oh, I'm gonna have to rip my other ones off before we get to the salon. This is my friend Dylan. You guys saw him in my vlog where I got my curtain bangs for the first time. We're gonna go get our nails done. Are you getting mani or pedi?
Man.
Okay, we're back, and we were in there for less than 30 minutes and they did it so quick. I got shellac and then you just got a buff. It was so funny. Dylan is like, did you put polish on my nails? And she goes, no, boy, no need. It was so funny. See, she low-key like,
I literally saw you bleeding.
I was.
But they were really good though.
They were so good. Regardless of if I was bleeding or not, like, she did do a really good job. Plus it didn't hurt. It wasn't like a painful bleed.
I don't know why mine was on sale and yours wasn't.
Yeah.
I got $3 off and yours was full price.
You know.
Yeah.
But
it's probably because you ordered like 8 drinks while you were trying to.
I know. You guys, I walked up to the guy. I hung up the phone and he was like, "Oh, what do you want?" And I was like, "Can I get mocha latte, mocha latte?" And then I looked at Dylan and I was like, "What am I even saying?" So we have an update. I've been calling in the last 24 hours. I think I've called maybe 15 liquor stores to try to get a bottle for my birthday. Every time I've called, they've said that there's only 3 left in the state of Oregon because there's a shortage. And I have a bottle on hold in Pacific City, so I'm about to literally drive an hour and a half tomorrow morning.
Hour and 45.
An hour and 45. Okay, I tried
Plus
to make
there could be snow, so
I
probably
try to
longer.
make it not sound as bad.
There's going to be snow on the pass.
To Pacific City?
Look it up.
Pacific City? What do
I just like just like a dark storm cloud.
We were like totally celebrating in here, and then you're like, "There's gonna be snow." Alyssa, you should know this.
No,
there's snow in Pacific. It's Pacific
no, like,
City's not Bend.
No, I know that. No, I'm saying like
we'll be prepared. That's really good. I give it a solid 9.2. Would definitely eat and make again. Okay, you guys, it is like, what time is it now? It is 11:40 and I have an early morning tomorrow, and I had an early morning today. It's so much fun. I really am happy you guys got to see Dylan again in the vlogs, because he's literally one of my like best friends. Like, he's one of the types of people that you can completely be yourself around, and he's just great. And I like that he is very upfront and honest, because he holds me accountable, and I need people like that in my life. So okay, thank you guys so much for watching day 7 of 12 days of Vlogmas. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't be afraid to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye, beauties.